According to Clarence Danoff, the four types of entrepreneurs are: number one, innovative entrepreneurs. Innovative entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who make commercial use of a new technology or an innovation. They produce and sell a new product or a service based on a new technology or innovation. Innovative entrepreneurs are generally found in developed countries, as it is very easy to carry out research because of availability of resources. The second type of entrepreneurs are imitative entrepreneurs. Imitative entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who simply copy the products and policies of innovative entrepreneurs. Imitative entrepreneurs are generally found in developing countries where it is very difficult to carry out research because of scarcity of resources. The third type of entrepreneurs are Fabian entrepreneurs. Fabian entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who are very cautious in adopting new technology or innovation. Fabian entrepreneurs adopt any new technology only when they feel that not adopting a new technology or innovation would result in losses for the business. And the fourth type of entrepreneurs are drone entrepreneurs. Drone entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who resist changes. Drone entrepreneurs continue with old production techniques and processes even if it results in losses for the business.